Welcome back. I'm Coach E. Hopefully your work on your sound tracker went well. I'm sure you wrote some great words with two closed syllables. Now let's review our high frequency words for this cycle. We'll start with a lightning read of the words. As soon as the words appear, whisper shout as many as you can in 15 seconds. Are you ready? Go! How many words did you read? You'll get more and more the more you practice. Let's also practice writing these high frequency words. Remember how you used your finger like a pencil earlier? Let's do that again. Trace the word after on your leg or palm. Did you write AFTER? Now write the word fast on your leg. Did you write FAST? Next, write best on your leg. Did you write BEST? Next, write stop on your leg. Did you write STOP? Let's revisit our rehearsal text. This time, you are going to whisper read the story. Let's prepare before we read. During this cycle, we've been working on words with two closed syllables. There are a lot of them in this text. Read them with me. Jenkins, discuss, talent, Justin, pumpkin, contest, Justin, timid, upset, admit, problem, Justin, until, Jenkins, Justin, talent, Jenkins, confess, problem. Now that you have read this text a few times, I bet you can do it smoother and faster this time. I'm going to be quiet while you whisper read for about a minute. You'll see a timer appear so you know how much time before we move on. Do your best. Was it a bit easier to read the text today? Now that you have read this text a few times, I bet you can do it smoother and faster this time. I am going to be quiet while you whisper read for about a minute. You'll see the timer appear so you know how much time before we move on. Do your best. Was it a bit easier to read the text today now that you've had some practice with it? The more you practice, the smoother your reading will become. What do the vowels in closed syllable words sound like? If you remembered that closed syllables have short vowels, you were right. How will knowing this help you become a stronger reader and writer? Let's do a quick review of everything we've learned. Always remember, closed syllables have short vowels. The letters F, L, S, and Z are doubled when they come at the end of a syllable. For example, stuff, hill, mess, buzz. When spelling, listen for and write each phoneme you hear in a consonant blend. Lastly, don't forget that you can divide syllables between two consonants. During your independent work time today, you'll be editing a copy of our rehearsal text that has some mistakes in it. Remember, when you edit, you should look for capitalization, punctuation, and spelling mistakes. I'll give you a clue. Our high-frequency words just might be spelled incorrectly. You'll also find some words with two closed syllables that will need your help. After you finish editing, you get to be creative. You'll write some silly sentences that have two closed syllables. Be as wacky as you'd like. Your teacher will be looking at your editing and writing during your conference, so remember to show your best work. Today, you'll need to use several tools in the toolbar above the slides. These will change word fonts, colors, and add highlights, if you forget how. You did a great job reading and writing words with two closed syllables. Keep it up.